Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Victory One Shower Slide. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Victory One men's shower slides. And this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black, white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box flap. And taking a direct look inside the box, let's slide out the Nike Victory One shower slides. And the rest of the contents inside. And making sure nothing else is left behind, we can close the box back up and set it to the side. So just setting it on the left hand side of the table and laying the Nike Victory One men's shower slides on the tabletop. It's right there, giving you a full and clear view of the Nike Victory One men's shower slides in the black, white colorway. Now just taking a look at the hanger for the slides right here. With, of course, the Nike branding. And just setting that back down and moving it to the side so we have more space to focus on the Nike Victory One men's shower slides. Okay, so just setting the left or right slide on the top while we focus on the left one. So giving you a full and clear look and doing a 360 rotation. So you have a complete view of this shower slide. And let's take a look at the hang tag with the product details. And right there, giving you a close-up look at the QR code and barcode as well for this shower slide. And just tucking it back into the slide and giving you various looks at this slide. So as you can see, it does have a thoroughly black design and a white Nike swoosh on the strap. It is made out of one-piece foam, as you can see. A nice and clean and very integrated design. And of course, being a shower slide by Nike's design, it does have perforations right through for drainage as well as ventilation. So taking some close-up looks from the front, you can see the toe area having a nub platform, and of course those vents as well, as you can see through right onto the tabletop, and giving you a close-up look at the foot strap with its nubbed or raised Nike swoosh in white. And you can see the texture of the material as well, which is foam, having a slightly coarse surface. And back to the front as well, we can see those details right throughout and around the edge of the footbed. There is a channel or groove, as you can see, slightly smoother in texture. And as we move towards the back of the footbed of the Nike Slide, giving you a look at the raised nubs along the center of the footbed, and towards the back we can see another Nike swoosh right there, and of course the ventilation and drainage holes or perforations. And taking a look at the back, we can see that it does have a slightly cupped or raised design to ensure that your foot stays in place in the slide. So right there, giving you a full and thorough look at the Nike Victory One Men's Shower Slide in the black white colorway. And just to give you some idea of the silhouette right there, or side profile of the shower slide. And taking a look from the back or heel area, and closer up details as well. Once again, we see that grainy texture of this foam slide, and of course the inner side of the slide as well, and its profile right there once again. And you can see more evidently the Nike swoosh on the foot strap with its raised nubs in white. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the slide, we can see there are various channels as well as the drainage and perforation holes and grooves more clearly. So right there, giving you those close-up details. And of course the depth of the tread or traction pattern of the sole as we slowly move towards the back area. So right there, very deep section right there towards the heel area with that deep groove, and of course the drainage and ventilation perforations or holes. And to give you some idea of the softness or firmness of the material, just pushing down on the sole of the slide, and you can see it does have a very soft and cushy design, even in the back area as well, as I push down on it with my thumb. And as I squeeze, you can see towards the edge of the heel the overall softness of this material, bouncy, squishy, and springy all at the same time. Now let's do a flex and bend test to give you some idea of the pliability, flexibility, and firmness of this material. So right there, giving you some idea as I twist, bend, and flex the Nike Victory One Men's Shower Slide. And just squeezing the sides as well, giving you once again some idea of the response and movement of this material. So right there, springing back into its shape. And now let's take a look at the right slide. So setting the left slide back down, and once again right here doing a 360 rotation, so you have a full and complete view. Of this slide, and taking some close-up looks once again So right there, perforations and the overall design of the slide. And of course we do have the strap or slide tree. And right there giving you a close-up look. This time, of course, this slide doesn't have the material sticker on it. And on the underside as well, those overall details of this slide. And now let's take a look at the pair together. So just going to set the strap tree to the side and giving you a look at the pair together. The Nike Victory One Men's Shower Slide in the black, white colorway. And from the front to the back. So you can see the Nike swooshes in white. And from the back, right there, a good clear shot, right through and down the slides, and of course taking a look at their bottoms as well. So that's Nike Victory One Men's Shower Slide. Thanks for watching and happy walking.